Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and choose Passwords and Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods by tapping on the chosen one, pattern, pin or password. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Now you need to enter your login method, and when you're ready, repeat it. After that, select Confirm at the bottom right corner, and if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that right away by choosing Add and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go Cancel, click Home button, and now, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!